Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this delicious dessert which is super easy to make and super fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to mince your favorite cookies into powder. When it's all done, set it aside in a bowl. Now let's do the same with a few bananas. I'm using only 2. Then I'm adding 50 milliliters of yogurt and 80 grams of sugar and mix it all together. Then I'm adding the cookie powder and mixing it all together. When they're all done, let's serve it. With these ingredients, I got 3 servings. Then I'm adding some chocolate balls on top so they look amazing, but you can also add fruit. And try it out because it's super easy to make and super delicious. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.